Hi students, now we are going to discuss about chapter 3 understanding quadrilateral exercise 3.1 exercise 3.1 questions we are going to discussion doing that. The question they says about find the angles, find the here they given us find the angle measure x measure x in the following figure. X in the following figure. Following figure. Following figures. First here, first question. They given like that. In this way, diagram is given there. Here angles are given as this part given as 130 degree. Here 50 degree. Next this side value x and here they given as 120 degree. In this way they given the diagram and the value. So first of all what we want to do here, what type diagram this one, it is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means how many side it have a 4 side. How many angles? 4 angles. Angle sum property of a quadrilateral says that sum of 4 angle is equal to how much degree? 360 degree. That's why this inside this one angle is missing. For identification you can give the alphabet also. Here we can give alphabet as A, B, C, D. Angle C is unknown. Angle C they given as X. So our aim is to find out X value. How to find out X value? Angle sum property of a quadrilateral apply. That is angle A plus, angle B plus, angle C plus, angle D is equal to 360 degree. Angle A place which angle? 130 degree. Angle B represent 120 degree. Angle C place here they mark X. Angle D represent as 50 degree. Equal right side which value? 360 degree. Add the given values. What are the given value? 130 plus 120 plus 50. All these values adding there. Here comes to be how much? 300. So 300 degree plus x is equal to right side 360. Our aim is to find out x value. Therefore, x keep left side 300 sent to opposite side. So 360 plus value goes to opposite side comes to be minus 300. 360 minus 300 become how much degree? 60 degree. So x value become 60, meaning angle C become how much we got? 60 degree. That is the meaning of this first question. I hope you can understand how to find out the A question. Same way another diagram is giving a x value. They ask you to find such type of questions. Second question they says about in this way diagram. The diagram is given like this. Here in this way they given here 90, this symbol they given here they mark it as x. They are given as 70 degree. Here 60 degree they given there. So find out what is our aim? Find out the value of x. Here also in this diagram alphabets are not given there. So we only keep any alphabets. You can give any alphabets and mark it as any here both side arrow mark also keep. No, we can mark it as A, B, C, D. For calculation purpose we only keeping that diagram alphabets, and here you can mark it as E and this part mark it as F. F is a straight line. So first what is our aim? X value. Here also what is the procedure? One problem is in quadrilateral. This is also a quadrilateral diagram only, four-sided diagram only. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral only, but x value also we don't know. This side A angle also we don't know. That's why one angle unknown means okay we can angle sum property apply and that unknown value we can find out. But here two values are unknown there. That's why what we want to do is that first we find out out A value. A angle, how to find out? Here outside of that A angle is one symbol they given. This symbol represent which symbol? Which angle symbol? 90 degree angle symbol. That's why. That's why here you apply we can say EF is a straight line. Then EF is a straight line, a linear pair property here up in linear pair. Straight angle means in this way straight angle we can write EAD plus DAB equal, they make a linear pair. Sum of that two angle become how much degree? 180 degree. Inside angle we don't, angle A we don't, but outside 90 degrees there. EAD is we know how much 90 plus DAE is F is equal to B not DAF line only we consider DAF is equal to how much degree? 180 degree. DAF value we want keep DF value keep on left side 90 degrees sent to opposite side, so 180 plus value goes to opposite side comes to be minus 180, so 180 minus 90 become how much 90 degrees, so this inside A value become how much 90 degree will get in there. Then angle sum property of a quadrilateral apply. Now three angles, so we know fourth angle how to find out. Angle sum property apply, sum of four angles is equal to 360 degree, then x value find out. That is the procedure for solving this problem. So first we can write EF is a straight line. EF is a straight line. Then so we can say angle EAD plus angle DAF is equal to how much degree? 180. We apply which property? Linear pair property there we apply. EAD value is how much? This angle represent which symbol? Which angle symbol? This one 90 degree. So instead of EAD place we can substitute 90 degree. But angle DAF value we don't know. We want to find out A angle how to find out? That angle keep left side only 90 sent to opposite plus 90 goes to opposite comes to be minus 90. 180 minus 90 become how much 90 degree. Therefore angle DAF value become how much 90 degree will come. This part we got it as how much 90. Then after getting angle A, getting after angle sum property apply. Angle sum of a quadrilateral says that sum of four angles is equal to how much degree? 360. So we can apply that angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. Angle A now we got it as inside A value. Angle A getting as 90 degree. Angle B is 60 degree. Angle C is 70 degree. D value we don't know. That place X they given, so we can mark it as X is equal to 360. All knowing values are 90 plus 60 plus 70. Adding 9 plus 6 comes to be 15. 15 plus 7 comes to be 220. So we got a 220 degree plus X is equal to 360 degree. So X value how to find 360 is plus 220 goes to opposite side comes to be minus 220. Subtraction do in there. For then 140 degree will get in there. That is the X value. That means angle D become how much we have? Angle D is equal to 140 degree. I hope you can understand what I say there. In this way calculation do in time X value will get in there. That is a question. Find the angle measure of X value, find out how much is the angle of X. The 3-4 diagrams are given there. That values finding type question. Then next same model another question. One more question X value finding type question. X value we want to find it like this. Third C question or third question anyway. Here diagram is like this way. Diagram given like in this way. Then here down we can mark like this. Here they given us x, their value given us 30 degree. Here also they given us x value. Then outside angle they given us 70 degree. Here also outside value given us 60 degree. In this way diagram they given. Find out the x value. Here also directly we can't apply. Here quadrilaterally in this way looking like quadrilaterally, but here this part pentagon shape 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentagon shape only, but this side angles we don't know. Find out here inside this part angles we want to find out. Which shape or diagram? This one a pentagon shape, 5-sided diagram there. So that inside part angle how to find out there also we can give the alphabets. For easy calculation we can give the alphabets. Here we can mark it as A, B, C, D, E, then E up to the E. Then here we can mark it as F and just we can mark it as G, E, F, G. We can say that F, G is a straight line. There also linear pair property 2 times apply. First this inside angle find out. Linear pair property apply after that side inside angle find. Then afterwards right side inside angle value find out. There also linear pair property apply and find out. Both inside left and right inside angle getting after here sum of angle of a pentagon shape 5-sided figure is how much coming that value how much 540 will coming there. Sum of 5 angles of a pentagon shape apply and find out the unknown x value. That is the procedure. First we find says that FG is a straight line. FG is a straight line. Then linear pair property applied. Sum of two which are they? FAB plus BAG. So we can write angle FAB plus angle BAG. With G is our line, that's why BAG only consider is equal to how much degree? 180 degree. What is the reason? There we apply a linear pair property. Then FAB value become how much? 70 degree. Instead of that place 70 degree. But inside A angle we don't know. We want to find out that. Equal right side 180. So angle BAG keep left side 70 goes to opposite side plus goes to opposite. Sign were changing, plus opposite is minus, so minus 70 is coming there. So how much will getting there? Answer become 110 degrees. The which angle inside here this part to become how much we got 110 degree will getting this. Same way right side inside angle find out. There also how to find out? There we apply linear pair property. Same property we apply. Linear pair property applied. FG is a straight line. FG is a straight line. There also linear pair property applied time. Angle DEG plus DEF. In this way, right? Angle DEG plus angle DEF is equal to 180 degree. There we apply linear pair property. What about DEG angle as 60 degree plus we inside E angle we don't know, so we want to find out inside E angle, that is equal to 180. Then plus 60 sent to right side, you change it to minus 60. So angle DEF is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree. So how much will getting there? Here 120 will 120 degree will getting there 120. So E vertex inside part represent as how much we got 120 degree. Then here number angles we want to find out. There is one rule is there, angle finding rule is there. What is that rule? How to find out? That means formula is finding sum of angle finding formula. Sum of angles finding formula is n minus 2 into 180 degree is the finding angle formula. What is the total sum of the angles? We don't know. 5 side is there, 5 sided figure case, total sum become how, angle sum become how much? 4 side means quadrilateral. That means angle A plus angle B plus C plus D is equal to 360. 3 side case, triangle case, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180. Here 5 side are there, pentagon shape. There total sum become how much? We want to find out. What is the formula? N minus 2 into 180 is the formula. N represent as number of sides. Here how many sides pentagon have? 5 sides. So n value take it as a 5. So n place 5. So 5 minus 2 into 180. 5 minus 2 become how much? 3. 3 into 180 become how much? 0 m 4 m 540 degrees. The sum of 5 angle of a pentagon is equal to how much? We got a 540 degree. Then all 5 angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle is equal to right side which value? Not 360. 5 sided case, how much is the total angle measure? 540. So we can write it as angle A plus. So here I am placing there. So we can write that value as angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E is equal to total sum of 5 angle become how much? 540 degree. A angle how much we got a calculation do in time? 110 degree. B value X, C value how much? 30. Then D angle also represent as X. Then E value now we got it as how much? 120 is equal to right side how much? 540. Sum of all these angle adding time we get how much will coming? 540. So X value, how many X are there? 2 times X are there. Then 110 plus 30 become 140. 140 plus 120 become how much will they getting? 260 will coming. 260 is equal to 540 degree. Our aim is to find 2x value. 2x is equal to plus 260 goes to opposite comes to be minus 260. Subtraction do 0. 40 minus 6 comes to borrow and subtract 8 will come. 4 minus 2 become a 280 degree. 2x value become 280. 2x value become 280 degree. We want here I continuing we want which value? We want x value. Therefore x value become how much? Yes, see 2 and 280. 2 table to 110. 2 table to 1. 2 table 8 40 240 degree. Therefore x value become how much will come in there? 140 degree will get in there. That is the meaning of that question. I hope you can understand how to solve the unknown x value and finding a basis of question. First we put alphabet keeping after outside angle giving and inside angle is missing means a linear pair property apply and find out the inside one. Inside all 4 or all 5 angles getting after angle sum property apply and find out the unknown x value. That is the procedure. The next question says tells about next question is next question given as in this way they gave here fourth question they given us a diagram like this way. Diagram is like this way. Here x, here x, there x, all sides x only. All sides value they given as x value. They say that here here also how many sides are there? Outside part angle how many x are there? 5 x are there. How many sides are there? 1 2 3 4 5 sides. Now just before only we find out sum of angle. How to find out sum of angles? We know that formula finding n minus 2 into 180. Here how many n value represent as how much? 5 sides in this diagram. That's why n place 5 substitute. 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. 5 minus 2 become how much? 3. 3 into 180 degree become how much? Total sum of 5 angle become 540. Then here for identification, mark the alphabets A, B, C, D, E in this way. Then all 5 angle measurement add. Here angle sum property, straight line not given there. Inside angle only unknown. All x values are inside only. That's why here angle sum property of a pentagon find out. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle is equal to how much? A total sum become 540. A value also x, B value also x, C value also x, D value also x, E value also how much? X. Total how many x are there? 5x are there. 5x is equal to 540 degree. 5 table right and left, 5 table use it to cancel. 5 table 5 1 time. 5 table 540 means 1 0. 40 means 104 not possible. That's why 4 is smaller than outside dividing 5. So 0 keep. Then next number together we take 40. 5 table 40 8. So x therefore x value become how much we got? 108. Is it right? Or each x place 108, 108 plus 108 plus 108 plus 1. 5 times multiplying time 108 is 5 times 5x are there. 5 times multiplying time how much will come in there? 540 will coming there. For checking time also same answer will coming there. So I hope you can understand this model question. Then another model also there, same unknown values finding type question. Another bit that one. Another second bit. Here question they say is about here find the x find they asking find x plus y plus z value. Diagram is given like this way. Diagram is in this way they given. They mark it as a xm. They are given as a 90 degree inside. They are 30 degree they given there. 30 degree is given there. Here outside value given as a z shape z, and inside angle given as a y. In this way they given and ask to find out x plus y plus z. So here also for calculation we can give the alphabets. How in which way this vertex we can give A, B, C. Okay. Then next for here extending part also you can give any 3 alphabets you can give. Here alphabets we can give the giving time. This part we can represent as E. This part mark it as F like this. So first of all which angle sum property applying there. How to find out in a triangle case inside is in which shape? Triangle shape. In triangle angle sum property telling the sum of triangle has how many angles? 3 angles. Sum of 3 angles become how much? 180 degrees. So 90 plus 30 become 30 plus here unknown value is that value writing. Then that value finding after we can say x y value is how much. Then same way they make a linear pair there also. So we can start with the angle sum property. Angle sum property says that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property first to be applied there. Why? Because in question inside one angle missing there, but outside all values are missing there. That's why outside case we can't start. That's why inside to start. Inside one angle missing. C angle is missing. Again B angle is missing. A place 30. B angle we don't know. B angle B only. Angle C represent how much? 90 degrees equal to 180. So angle B find out. Angle B is equal to 90 plus this part comes adding to how much will come in there? 120 degrees equal to 180 degrees. So angle B value represent how much? Plus value goes to opposite side. It comes to be minus 120. 120 minus 180 minus 120 become how much degree? 60 degree. So angle B represent as how much? 60 degree. This inside value we got it as 60 degree. With the help of that, then see there we can make a linear pair. Here also E, F, G we can mark. Extending a mark G. Here see straight line property applied, which is a straight line. CG is a straight line. Then in the straight line, linear pair property applied, angle GBA plus ABC is equal to how much degree? 180 degree. But angle ABC represent how much value? Inside part represent 60 degree. Outside ABG represent which angle? Angle Y is equal to 180 degree. So angle Y value find out. 180 plus 60 goes to right side, it comes to minus 60. 180 minus 60 because how much will coming there? 120 degree will be taken. So Y value become how much? 120. Like that way we can apply. So here we can apply that CG is a straight line. CG is a straight line. CG is a straight line. There a linear pair property applying time, angle GBA plus angle ABC is equal to 180. GBA value we don't know. We write how much they marked there by here. Plus ABC value is how much given there? 60 degree is equal to 180. So Y value here I write Y. Therefore Y is equal to 180 plus 60 goes to opposite side, comes to be minus 60. Subtraction do it, how much will come in there? Y value become a 120. Y value, okay, this part represent a 120. Same X value or Z value, that one any one you can. There also we can say that AF is a straight line. We can consider AF is a straight line property. Straight line, AF is a straight line. Then linear pair property applying time. Here we apply linear pair. Linear pair property apply. Linear pair property applying time. FCB plus BCA is equal to 180 degree. FCB plus angle BCA is equal to 180 degree. There we apply linear pair property. What about FCA? The FCB value represent as X degree plus. What about BCA? C vertex represent as 90 degrees equal to 180 degree. So X value how to get? Plus 90 goes to opposite side, comes to be minus. So X value become 180 minus 90 become 90. So this X value become how much we got? 90 degree. Same way next the Z value also we can consider. EB is a straight line. We can consider EB is a straight line. Straight line consider. There we apply linear pair property. EAC plus CAB equal 180. And EAC plus angle CAB is equal to 180 degree. Then EAC value not given Z plus CAB value how much? 30 degree is equal to how much? 180. So Z value become how much will come in there? 180 plus 30 goes to opposite side minus 30. 180 minus 30 become how much getting there? 150 degree. So the Z value become how much? Then what they asking finally? Find out X plus Y plus Z. They asking X value is how much we have? X value become 90. What about Y value? Y value become how much there? Y value represent as 120 degree plus Z value become how much? 150 degree. Then how much it will coming there? Exterior angle of a diagram become how much degree? 360 coming or not? Checking 90 plus 120 plus 150. Here 40, 50, 60. Okay. Here 360 360 is coming. The exterior angle is equal to how much degree will come in the 360. As our angle 3 adding time we got the measure as a 360 degree. So I hope you can understand this model question. Next model, next class we can discuss. Thank you.